here we go.
Hi, everybody. My name is Mayra Galvez. I am joined by Ione Jones and Terrel Miller. We are home advocates, part of your California Real Estate Consultants Group. And today we are going to be doing a part 2 continuation of the importance of credit scores and how it impacts not just real estate, but your entire aspects of your life. Keep in mind that credit scores, they vary, and it's good to monitor it, as we said in the previous video. And today we're going to be talking about how it impacts not just real estate, as I said, but other aspects. So when it comes to real estate, it can affect not only the type of loan that you get, but the loan terms. And even if you do get approved, let's say with a low credit score, it will cause you to have a higher interest rate, and in that sense, it'll give you a bigger monthly payment, which means that majority of the payment that you do make on the monthly basis goes towards the interest rather than the principal. Now, if you do want a little bit more details about how to increase your credit score, I know FannieMae.com has great tips and great information about how you can go about doing that. Again, the website is FannieMae.com, and they do also recommend 30% of your available credit or less to be used, but it just depends in your certain circumstance again. And Ione is going to be going a little bit more into depth about how it impacts other aspects of the home buying process.
Thank you. Well, you must remember that first and foremost, the amount that you qualify for is the starting point to your real estate journey. I mean, honestly, it doesn't make sense to look at a $750,000 home and fall in love with it when you only pre-qualify for $500,000. So it's the very beginning of your process is to first get with a realtor that can send you to, or on your own, find a loan mortgage company and get pre-qualified. So once you do that, you know where your starting point is and how to go forward. And if you're not at the place that you need to be or want to be, then you can do the steps to help improve your credit score before starting forward with that home purchase. So it's important to always monitor your credit reports. Again, Credit Karma is an excellent place to begin because they do weekly checks on your credit score. And from that, you can see your progress. I will give it to Terrel, who will also give us some more information on that process of pre-qualifying now. Thanks. Terrel.
Hi, everybody. Thanks, Ione and Mayra. Yeah, it's the whole credit concept has just taken over our lives, and it impacts, whether we get employment, how much our insurance premiums are going to be, and of course our loans and what we get approved for. And as Mayra and Ione are saying, it's just really a critical aspect of the home purchasing process. And so it becomes almost the first things first. You get with a loan officer, you sit down with them and get pre-approved, not pre-qualified, but pre-approved, so that they have all your documentation that they need. And that is sort of the beginning of the pre-beginning of buying would be meeting with someone like us. And we could look at your credit and go, okay, here's a place where you can snap it up. Here's another place you can snap it up. Or you go to the Fannie Mae website, like Mayra suggested, and see what tips they have. And Experian has the same thing. And a lot of these, and Credit Karma, you should not pay for any of this. This is all free. And as we said in our last episode, is that the 3 credit bureaus all are required by law to provide you a credit report once a year for free and without affecting your credit. And so to get this information and figure out whether it's accurate or not. And if it is accurate, then it's a matter of, okay, now we need to figure out what we need to make it better. And again, that's something we can help you with. If you're working with a loan officer, that's something they can help you with, or they should be able to help you with. And to get you the best interest rate, you need the best credit. And right now that's like 740. So sometimes you'll say, oh, well, this bank said they would accept 650. And it's like, they will, but your interest rate will be 1% higher, which means your payment is that much higher. And as we are seeing interest rates go up right now, what you don't want is higher interest rate. You want lower interest rate. And so just know that if you contact us, there's no obligation, and we're here to help educate you and get you through the process the best way for you. It's unique. You have your own equation, and we want to help you do that in a way that's best for you. And feel free. I mean, our information is down below. Please call us. And we were just looking forward to meeting you and helping you. Thanks so much.